Hello, this is Evan Deck, and today I'm going to be using VirtualBox to install an Android operating system, Android 86. I'll show you the ISO downloaded. Should be yes, there it is. That's the ISO file I'm going to be using today. So let's go ahead and get started here. The new machine. Name it Android test. Type, we'll do Linux because Android uses Linux. And bump that up a bit. So maybe it's not as slow. Yep. Create a virtual hard disk. VDI. Dynamically allocated. 8 gigs is fine. Go ahead and hit create. Okay, now that we have this created, we're going to go to settings and to storage and add a drive here. Add our ISO file so we can boot from that. Okay. So now we can boot from that ISO file. Next, I'm going to go change my network settings real quick to bridged adapter. Go to adapter type, do PC Fast 3 or PCNet Fast 3, and click OK there. And now we are ready to start running the machine and getting the installation going. Let's make this full screen. Okay, so this brings up this, and we just go down to installation here. Let this go for a bit to get everything set up. And what we're going to do here is set up a partition to install our operating system on. We're going to do primary, set it to 8 gigs, make it bootable, and go down to write, hit enter, and just type yes, and that'll start writing the partition. Okay, when that is done, just go down here to quit, and we select the partition we just made. And when it asks you about formatting, we're going to use ext3, because that is what Android uses. So now the installation will begin. And yes, we're going to install grub. Yes. And we will say yes to the read and write. And the installation will now begin. This should only take probably about 2 minutes to finish the installation. It's a little bit slow. So I'm just going to let this go for a minute. This is the best part. Getting there. Almost done. Okay, cool. So now it is installed. So go ahead and run it. So this is where you can enter command prompts and stuff like that, command lines. But what I'm actually going to do is boot this down, power it off, I should say, and go back to settings, back to storage. So this time we're going to remove this, so every time we start it up, it doesn't just go to the boot file. Once you remove that, you can start it back up. And get started. And it brings back up what we just closed down. And I myself am not an Android user, so I don't know any Android commands offhand. But that's pretty much it. That's how you install Android using Oracle VM.